was incredible. So the Cat did a really good job last night, and it prevented the storms from forming. We have big storms off to our west now, and those are going to roll in here as we go through the evening tonight. So it is going to be very wet tonight, but I think by the time we get to Race for the Cure tomorrow morning, we're going to see some improvements. Most of the rain finishes before sunrise, and so you're still going to have puddles probably for the early part of the race, but as the morning progresses, that's going to dry out. And we'll get to around 69 degrees by 11 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow is also a big day over at Lower.com Field because in the evening it's going to be a huge match between the Crew and Cincinnati. The Hell is Real match happens at 7:30. Before the game, you're at 70 degrees. Temperatures will be in the 60s by kickoff at 7:30 in the evening. Now, tonight, what we're watching, you see this yellow here that gets you all the way up to the Ohio border. That is a tornado watch that lasts until 11 o'clock tonight. So far, it has not been extended into Ohio. We're hoping maybe those storms will weaken before they get this far. So far, right now, they're making their way up to the Indiana border, and they are racing our direction. Give them a few more hours. They're going to get into Ohio. They have the potential to be very strong during the evening. The radar at the moment is quiet, and we're hoping to stay that way through dinner time. We've got some sunshine on the downtown skyline right now. The airport reporting 78 degrees with a heat index of 80 and a breeze out of the south at 16 miles per hour. Your TR Horton America's Builder current conditions in Kenton are the warmest on the map at 81 degrees right now. There is some very warm air ahead of this front as it marches toward us. 79 in Newark and 75 in New Lex. The evening tonight is going to have these storms moving in from west to east. They will race into the state. They're getting to us by around 8 to 10 o'clock and then racing off to the east after that. By midnight, pretty much finished, and we're going to see things quieting down. A random shower may happen overnight, but by sunrise, it's going to be a little drier and quieter. We have a significant risk with this line for damaging wind gusts, 40 to 60 plus miles per hour. And there's an elevated risk for some large hail and tornadoes. This line off to our west has already produced lots of tornado warnings, and so we'll be keeping a close eye on that as it gets closer to Ohio. North of I-70, scattered severe storms. South of I-70, numerous severe storms. But Saturday and Sunday should be much, much quieter. Overnight tonight, down to 63 degrees. Some strong storms are possible through the early overnight hours, and then we're quiet for most of the day on Saturday. We'll see some clouds come and go. The same thing is going to happen on Sunday. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds both days. In the backyard, tomorrow morning, 65 degrees. We'll get to 70 by noon, and a high in the lower 70s, peaking around 73. Then on Sunday, 73 degrees, partly cloudy, 71 on Monday, and another